we go. This is great. You come right in here real close.
Wait.
Okay? Yeah. Just turn around. Turn around and let's squat down.
Squat down a little bit.
Way. Yeah, right there. Now let's look right out there and let's do big smiles now.
Look at me.
Big smiles out there.
Oh. Come on.
Big smiles.
Okay, Ashton.
Oh, that's a cute one, Ashton. Get over here.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do
Okay.
this. And what would you like for Christmas? Oh, yes, a Buzz Lightyear. And what about you? Hmm? Do you need a new dog?
What did you want, baby? Do you remember what you wanted to tell Santa?
Train?
Is it okay? A train? Wow, that's great. Well, I'll sure be working on that for each one of you, okay? Okay? Can you tell Santa where I put all the surprises on Christmas morning? Under the tree. So will you do me a favor and be sure to look underneath the tree on Christmas morning, okay? Because I'm going to leave you something really, really special. Okay? You got a big hug for me before you go? Let's do a big hug time. Oh, yeah. Boy, that is
All right. Good job, guys.
Okay.
Tell Santa thank you. And say we're being really good because our birthdays are next week too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, those are for the morning because that's sugar, okay?
Merry Christmas to you now.
Say Merry Christmas.
Yes. And how are we doing? Are we doing good again? Well, good. And what special gift can I get you this year? Ninja Turtles. Those are kind of neat, aren't they? Yeah, and who's your favorite Ninja Turtle?
I have
I don't know their name.
Yes.
I remember their names.
Leonardo is there too. Yeah, all right. Well, I'll talk to my favorite elves and see if we can work out for you. That be all right? And can you tell Santa where I place all the special gifts on Christmas? Where do I put
Where will you find your presents?
Will they be underneath the tree? Yeah. Yeah, it'll be underneath the tree. Okay? And would you do me a favor? And be sure to look underneath the tree for Christmas time. Because I'm going to leave you a special surprise. All right? You got another hug for me? How about a big high five? Can you do a high five? Okay. Well, thank you very much for coming up to see me.
Santa. He's giving you
Here you go.
candy.
Merry Christmas to you. Thanks a lot for coming.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bye-bye.